Alright guys, I just went out and did 2 laps, first 2 laps on this bike, forgot my GoPro, so hey man. Just doing a couple sessions or any sessions at all right now?
Now just big bikes or whatever.
Okay.
Get everybody ready up and ready to go, you know?
Cool. Oh, I put it in neutral, wouldn't it? Guys, I'm pumping up so bad, so quick. I don't know what it is. I'm so tired I can't even tell you my thoughts on this bike. And my hands are cramped. So anyway, so far I love it. It doesn't really feel like that much more hit than my Cali, but I can tell you that this thing is allowing me to, I can be a gear high and roll into it, not have to worry about shifting or being in the right gear all the time. It's something weird. I haven't experienced it on a Japanese bike. It though. Seems like it might be more user friendly. The throttle is super loose, like that new bike feel. Very smooth. I've got about about 10 millimeters of too much sag. Just because I couldn't get the shock to adjust much more with the tools I had. Better than my Cali for sure. I just can't keep my breath. This a bunch on my Cali. I'm just so scared to do jumps with arm pump. I like it so far.
Oh yeah, I rode mine a little bit yesterday.
Did you?
I love it. It's so much lighter than my YZ.
Yeah,
So much.
yeah, and you can always feel if something's lighter or heavier, but I can feel it out there, dude. It's crazy. But yeah, I love it, man.
Yeah, I'm about to go out.
Just waiting for some lines to get
That's what
in.
I'm
Like
waiting for.
I get 2 laps and my arms are so pumped I can't even do anything.
Yeah, that's what I was waiting for, but nobody's going out.
Nobody's going out, I know. I sat there for like 15 minutes and that dude was the only one on the track. I was like, I'm gonna go out, I guess.
Yeah. Here comes somebody.
I haven't ridden outdoor moto since September.
Yeah, I think last time I rode outdoors, I came and practiced here one time. That was about it. I've only been here once.
Oh yeah.
Adjustment suspension once we get out there.
Yeah. I need to get a spring. I can't get enough sag in the stock spring. I put as much as I really could in it without taking away too much travel, and I measured my sag. I'm still 10 millimeters out, so I'll have to get a spring.
Yeah, I'm gonna go out and see what.
Yeah, I'm gonna let my arm recoup for a second and I'll be out there as well.